Alright, here we go. These are too thick. See how thick they are? Pine wood. I got two of them. Put them together. Put them right there. Alright. Air hose is hooked up. Projectile. Load it. And get ready. Get ready. Alright, here we go. We're at 100 psi. Oh, shit. Ready? Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Broke the second one in half. Oh, and it broke this one. It went through 2 pine woods. That's damn good. We are now going to be shooting this scrap piece of metal. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Well. Let's see what it did. Yep, it put a hole in there. Put a hole in the fucking... Now where did it go?